Again, we'll take a quick 5-minute discussion period here. Um, I have one question ready for Edgar, if you're still there. Yeah. Do you have any? So wonderful introduction to a lot of more detail on the radar backscatter and how you identify the feature and traceability of it. My question is there anything around there or any other places that this new data set has really uh, shown more light on? So yeah, you made a wonderful case for sampling those specific areas related to the ray, but is there anything in the nearby area that's also uh, new and intriguing in this data set?
So we ended up doing this like back in February, and we're still really combing through the new data products to see what other features stand out. Like one of the things we stared at was that the Viper region is incredibly lower backscatter than what one would have expected, and what does that actually mean for that area? We're also looking at how these new maps can help inform on ice identification and PSRs and things like that. Um, and besides these specific craters with their ejecta that line up really nicely with the Tycho ray, going back to Michael Barker's talk, he had identified another ray almost perpendicular to the Tycho one in Lola, and I actually do see some craters right in that exact place that have their ejecta being in the same direction, so also perpendicular to Tycho. So this is new, and we're still exploring through the data set. I am sure this is a gold mine, and it'll be fun to look through.
Yeah. Um, and for Sophia, can you describe a little bit of the process that went into making the maps and your team effort on doing such an excellent job of following the traceability and um, making such an excellent case for the Daguerre Cochran Massif?
Yeah, so to overlay the different data sets, I just used GIS. And a majority of the maps came from GIS software and Lunar Quick Map. So using the data sets included with Quick Map around and in the Massif was primarily what I used.
Yeah, but as far as linking those maps that you've made to the science trace, was there a tremendous amount of discussion, or did this really kind of all fall together as a really interesting region?
This kind of all fell together as a very interesting region. Like I said previously, it was initially by our team. Um, it was initially published as a candidate landing region to build an Artemis base camp. Though there have been publications back about it before, like Richard said in 1988. But we first identified it as a candidate landing region, not candidate landing region, candidate region to build an Artemis base camp. And the science of the region just kind of came with it. And
No, outstanding.